Hello everyone and welcome back to Adventure with Toby. Today I'm on a bikepacking trip where I will drive some kilometers and hang up my hammock. So I hope you will enjoy the video and let's get on with it. And fun fact, here I actually went to school when I was little, so it was really nice to have a forest nearby. Finally here, man. Okay, so I have been thinking and I've maybe found the space where I will hang up my hammock. It looks really good, so I hope it will go well. Then I have put up the hammock. As you can see, it looks really nice. For once, I hope I have done it right. The only thing I'm missing is my underquilt. I will put that up later. But yeah. Okay, let's explore a little bit. I forgot one of my things from my gimbal, so yeah, that's why my video may be a little bit shaky this time. Yeah, and this one here is a mill, and it's here because it's an old mill. The top and the blades has been taken off, but its only purpose was to keep all of this land free from water. So that's why they built it, and they have built some and they have built some built up the dirt here so the water didn't came in. But let's see what's inside of here. Maybe a little bit grainy because it's really dark down there. But the water came in here and it got under the mill or under here, and then it would come out. Down here. So and then the water would flow down there. Yeah, there's more floors here. I'm sorry about it so shaky. I try to keep it as steady as I can. So yeah, you can sit in here and eat your dinner or what you want to. And look out here where it's really beautiful. Just found this under the mill. I'm not sure if I want to go in there. So yeah, I've made a little bit mess up here, and of course I will clean it. What would I be if I didn't do that? More cheese on top of that. But yeah, this is the dinner I'm gonna have. Some pork, tomatoes, carrots, mushrooms, and eggs, and then some bread. And cheese, as you saw. Good morning, everyone. I've been sleeping well tonight, so that's good for once. Now it's time to take my bicycle and go home. I have about 15 kilometers of way to I'm home, so I can't wait.